In this video, I will show you how to change the user agent for crawling in Semrush. First, log into your Semrush account. Now, go to the left panel and pop out your menu list. From here, scroll down and click on Site Audit. Once you're in the Site Audit board, click on the hyperlink of the project name you want to work with, for example, semrush.com. You will now be redirected to a more detailed analytics view of your site audit. Next, on the top right corner of your screen, click on the Settings button. From the drop-down menu, select User Agent Site Audit Bot Mobile. At the very top, you will see a User Agent drop-down menu. For this example, let's select OpenAI Search. After choosing your preferred user agent, click on Save Changes and wait for it to process. Once it's done, your new user agent setting will be successfully applied for all future crawls in your project. And that's how to change the user agent for crawling in Semrush.